While millions of people are endlessly debating the pros and cons of ChatGPT, a silent revolution is brewing right under their noses. Imagine an army of AI agents working 24/7, generating wealth, solving complex problems, and reshaping entire industries. And most people haven't even realized what's happening. What if I told you that the next generation of millionaires isn't going to be tech wizards or Wall Street sharks, but everyday people who understand how to harness these AI powerhouses? We're standing at the edge of the most significant technological transformation in human history. This isn't about robots taking over or some sci-fi fantasy. This is about real, tangible opportunities that are emerging right now. The traditional advice of go to college, get a good job, is becoming as outdated as a rotary phone. Today, we're diving deep into 7 AI agents that aren't just tools. They're digital entrepreneurs, strategists, and game changers that are rewriting the rules of success. Buckle up, because what you're about to hear will challenge everything you thought you knew about technology, business, and personal opportunity. AI content generation revolution. Let's talk about the first AI agent that's turning ordinary people into content empires. Gone are the days of spending hours agonizing over blog posts, articles, or marketing materials. This AI doesn't just generate content, it understands context, tone, and industry-specific nuances. Imagine an AI that can produce a 2,000-word SEO-optimized blog post in 15 minutes, create social media content that sounds exactly like your brand's, voice-generate email campaigns that feel personal and engaging, adapt to multiple writing styles from academic to conversational. We're not talking about generic, robotic text. This is AI that can capture human emotion, tell compelling stories, and create content that actually connects with readers. Small businesses and solo entrepreneurs are using this to compete with companies 10 times their size without hiring a single full-time writer. But content is just the beginning. Wait until you see how AI is revolutionizing visual creation. 2. AI design transformation. Remember when graphic design was a mysterious art form that required years of training? Those days are over. This AI design tool is like having a team of world-class designers, photographers, and creative directors working for you 24/7. We're talking about capabilities that would make professional designers do a double take. Logo design in seconds, not weeks. Complete brand identity packages generated from a single prompt. Marketing materials that look like they cost thousands, but are created for pennies. Ability to create custom illustrations, infographics, and even mock product photography. Startups are using this to look like million-dollar brands on a shoestring budget. Freelancers are scaling their businesses without hiring additional designers. This isn't just a tool, it's a complete democratization of design. AI Business Strategy Analyzer. Think of this AI as your personal business consultant, strategy guru, and market intelligence officer, all rolled into one incredibly powerful package. Traditional business consulting can cost tens of thousands of dollars. This AI agent provides comprehensive market trend analysis, competitive landscape mapping, predictive modeling for business strategies, risk assessment, and opportunity identification. It's like having a Harvard Business School graduate living in your computer, but without the student loans or ego. Small businesses are using this to make data-driven decisions that used to be reserved for Fortune 500 companies. Whoa, hold up. If these AI insights are blowing your mind right now, and I know they are, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me which AI agent has your brain spinning the most. Trust me, what's coming next is going to make everything we've discussed look like child's play. AI customer service revolution. Customer service used to mean call centers, long wait times, and frustrated customers. Not anymore. This AI agent is transforming how businesses interact with their customers. 24/7 support in multiple languages, instant, personalized responses, complex problem-solving capabilities, emotional intelligence that can detect customer mood and adapt accordingly. We're talking about scaling customer support without scaling headcount. Businesses are reducing support costs by up to 70% while simultaneously improving customer satisfaction. AI marketing optimization. Engine marketing used to be about gut feelings and expensive consultants. Now, it's a data-driven science powered by AI predictive campaign performance analysis, real-time ad spend optimization, hyper-targeted audience segmentation, personalized marketing journey creation. Small businesses are competing with giants by using AI to create marketing strategies that are more precise, more effective, and a fraction of the cost. AI financial forecasting. Wizardry, imagine an AI that can analyze financial data with the precision of a top-tier Wall Street analyst. but without the ego or the million-dollar salary. Market movement predictions, investment opportunity identification, risk assessment, and mitigation strategies, personalized financial planning. This isn't about replacing human financial advisors, it's about giving everyone access to sophisticated financial intelligence. Now, I know what you're thinking. These are incredible, but what could possibly be the ultimate game changer? 7. Revolutionary AI collaboration platform. Our final AI agent isn't just a tool, it's a complete workflow transformation, global team coordination, real-time project optimization, skill matching and team performance analysis, predictive productivity, insights. This is more than software. This is the future of work, condensed into a single intelligent platform. What I'm about to reveal will completely shock you. These 7 AI agents aren't just technological innovations. They're the early warning signs of an economic revolution that will separate the adaptable from the obsolete. The future isn't coming. It's already here. And the most incredible part? We're just getting started. Drop a comment below. Which of these AI agents completely blew your mind? If this video opened your eyes to the incredible potential waiting just around the corner, smash that like button, subscribe, and join the AI revolution. Remember, in a world of constant change, the most dangerous phrase is, "We've always done it this way." Stay curious, stay hungry, and stay ahead of the curve.